let us understand about data exchange of accounting information system with other information systems. Now students, we had studied earlier that there are large number of information systems or the areas or the departments which supply information to the management. Primary of them being manufacturing information system and human resource information system. Now students, we have accounting information system here, and this flow chart actually explains how come and what kind of information exchange is there among accounting information system, manufacturing and human resource information system. Manufacturing information system, first of all, manufacturing, it relates to factory. In factory we have workers. Workers are working in an organization and they get paid for it. Obviously, they are penalized also for reporting late or for absenteeism and so on. So, a manufacturing information system will provide report on the performance of an employee, whether increments are to be given or not, whether there are any deduction from wages or salaries, or there are any rewards to be given to any employee. So, this kind of information flows from manufacturing to accounting. Then, accounting department, after calculating everything, will send back detailed reports of individual employees about the payment of wages and salaries to them. And this report would be transferred from accounting to manufacturing. Right students? So, manufacturing sector or manufacturing information system, what it does is it provides report about employees, their rewards, their penalties, etc., which should be made to the accounting information system, and accounting information system on the basis of these reports prepares financial reports in which the wages and the salaries of the workers are computed, and these reports are then communicated back to the manufacturing information system. Then coming to human resource information system. Human resource information system takes care of the employees in entire organization, not just manufacturing sector or manufacturing department. So, what it does is, it tells the accounting information system that it is not just wages which are to be paid. There are lots of statutory dues also. Statutory dues means provident fund, gratuity, deductions on account of various medical incentives and so on. So, these statutory dues are calculated by human resource department, and an information or a report flows from this department to accounting information system. On the basis of this, accounting information system then generates a report detailing the payments to be made to individual employees, and this information then flows back to human resource department. Then coming to relation between human resource and manufacturing information system. Remember, a manufacturing information system has to supply a detailed report about the performance and the status of every employee to the human resource department, because ultimately the decisions regarding promotions, transfers, incentives has to be taken by human resource department. So, this information, that is the performance report of the workers, is transferred to human resource department, and on the basis of these reports, what human resource department does is improve the scales of salaries or provides additional benefits to the staff working in this department. So, this report is then again forwarded to accounting department. Besides this, it is the duty of the manufacturing department to give a detailed list of all the workers, their categories, their grades and scales of pays to human resource, and the human resource, whenever it appoints a new staff member, will provide all these basic details to the manufacturing department. So, this flow chart clearly shows that there is a clear flow of information from one department or one information system to another. Accounting information system forms a very important part of this flow chart, as the entire finances are controlled through this corner.